Hello everyone, welcome to our tutorial about setting up your charges and your custom cost calculation so that you can get a best experience of using Voltayze. What I have today on my screen is our charges dashboard that you can find under my Tesla menu folder. This dashboard has three sections. On the top left hand side you can see your charges setup, which allows you to see your custom defined charges location, for which you can assign a cost, a tag, and you can maintain by using a delete column. On the top right hand side, you have four boxes with information about your charges energy added, the cost, the average duration, and how much energy was used during the charging. At the bottom section, you have your charges sessions. This comes automatically by the time you charge your car. How this works is basically when you go here at the bottom in your charger type information, you have three columns. One is cost per kilowatt hour, the other one is cost, and then you have a tag. And you can easily go here and let's say in my case, I know that this location, it's usually my home. So I can easily go here and edit this row. I can say, okay, this is home. I know that I have a 0.8 cost per kilowatt hour. I can easily either put a value here for individual unit cost, or I can put the total and the system automatically calculates the unit cost. And then when I press save, what's gonna happen is that in the charges setup section, I'm gonna get a new row. The new row is gonna have a tag that says, okay, this is my location for home, right? This is the cost per kilowatt hour. And then it automatically calculates all my charging sessions that were done at this location and applies also in the past, right? I can go further and say, okay, I know this one, for example, is my work, and usually it has 1 per kilowatt hour, right? Then you can see here and on the top right side, you can see that the cost automatically sums all the values for this particular period. So this is all my charges for this month, right? And I can say here, oh, you know, sometimes because the charges are being done at a location and usually the GPS might show different coordinates for whatever reason, I can say, okay, oh, this is also my home. Or maybe I have a different charger and I have a different price. So I can say, okay, this is also my home. So a new line comes here, and then a new cost is associated with it. Right. So this is how you can set up your charges. Now, let's say if for whatever reason I want to remove this one, so I can say here, yeah, I want to delete it. Right. I press save, and then this gets removed. Right. The cost stays, right, because I calculated once, but at any time I can go and overwrite it. So this sums how you can use your charges dashboard and your charges setup to have cost calculated, and every time you are gonna do a new charging session at that location, the cost automatically calculates and you don't have to maintain it in any ways. Thank you for joining today.